Welcome back, everyone. Today, we'll bringing you 15 mind-blowing Amazon kitchen gadgets you never knew existed. From futuristic tools to game-changing must-haves, these gadgets will revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's check them out. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This adorable egg holder is the perfect kitchen companion for egg lovers. Designed in the shape of charming little penguins, it adds a fun and functional touch to your cooking routine. This versatile egg holder allows you to boil, store, and serve eggs all in one convenient tool. Simply place up to 6 eggs inside, lower them into boiling water using the built-in handle, and easily transfer them to the fridge or table without any mess. Whether you're meal prepping or serving guests, this egg holder makes handling eggs effortless and stylish. This stainless steel cutting board is designed for durability, hygiene, and precision. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it offers a non-porous surface that resists stains, odors, and bacteria, ensuring a cleaner and safer food preparation experience. The smooth yet sturdy design provides excellent resistance to scratches and knife marks, making it ideal for cutting meats, vegetables, and more. Its sleek, modern appearance complements any kitchen, while the easy-to-clean surface ensures hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for home cooks and professional chefs alike, this cutting board redefines convenience and longevity in the kitchen. This waffle maker is designed for effortless waffle making and easy storage. With its rotating flip mechanism, it ensures even batter distribution for perfectly golden, fluffy Belgian waffles every time. The non-stick cooking plates make cleanup a breeze, while the adjustable browning control lets you customize your waffles' crispiness. The compact flip and store design allows it to stand upright, saving valuable counter space. Whether for breakfast or dessert, this waffle maker brings convenience and deliciousness to your kitchen. This food warming mat is the perfect solution to keep your meals warm and ready to serve. Designed for home kitchens, offices, and gatherings, this warming mat provides consistent and even heat to maintain the ideal food temperature. Its sleek, portable design makes it easy to use on dining tables, countertops, and buffet setups. Safe and energy efficient, it ensures your food stays warm without overheating. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a cozy meal, this food warming mat is a must-have for convenient, warm, and delicious dining experiences. This sliding tray is the perfect solution for effortlessly accessing your coffee maker and other kitchen appliances. Designed for convenience, this smooth gliding tray allows you to slide your machine forward and back with ease, eliminating the hassle of lifting or repositioning heavy appliances. Its durable construction ensures stability, while the non-slip base keeps everything securely in place. Whether for your espresso machine, blender, or air fryer, this tray brings style and functionality to your kitchen. This electric dough maker is your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless dough preparation. Designed for convenience, it combines powerful kneading with an intelligent ferment function, ensuring perfect dough consistency every time. With its durable stainless steel mixing bowl and a high-torque motor, this dough maker handles everything from soft bread dough to thick pizza crusts with ease. The automatic fermenting feature creates the ideal temperature for proofing, saving you time and effort. This magnetic knife holder is the perfect blend of functionality and style for your kitchen. Designed with a powerful magnetic surface, it securely holds your knives in place while keeping them easily accessible. Crafted from premium materials, it ensures durability and stability, making it a reliable addition to your countertop. The sleek and modern design complements any kitchen decor, while the open display helps maintain knife sharpness by preventing unnecessary friction. This mini donut maker is your perfect companion for creating delicious, homemade donuts in minutes. Designed for convenience and ease of use, this compact appliance lets you bake up to 7 mini donuts at a time. No deep frying required. Simply prepare your batter, pour it into the non-stick molds, and close the lid for quick, evenly cooked treats. This mini donut maker features a non-stick surface for effortless release and easy cleaning, making it ideal for busy mornings, parties, or a fun baking session with kids. Its lightweight and compact design ensures easy storage, while the automatic temperature control guarantees perfectly golden donuts every time. This food saver is the perfect kitchen companion to keep your produce fresh for longer. Designed to preserve the freshness of cut onions and avocados, this airtight storage solution helps reduce food waste while keeping odors contained. Its compact and durable design ensures easy storage in your fridge, while the secure lid locks in moisture and flavor. Say goodbye to plastic wrap and wasteful storage methods. Keep your ingredients fresh and ready to use with this convenient and reusable food saver. This rotary cheese grater is designed for effortless grating, shredding, and zesting. Built with premium stainless steel drums and a sturdy, ergonomic handle, it delivers smooth, efficient performance for both home and professional kitchens. Perfect for hard cheeses like Parmesan, as well as chocolate, nuts, and vegetables, this grater ensures uniform results with minimal effort. The easy-to-use rotary mechanism provides precision and control, while its compact, dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. This bagel slicer is designed for effortless, mess-free slicing. Featuring a safe grip handle and a stainless steel precision blade, it ensures a clean, even cut every time. Its sturdy, no-slip base provides extra stability, making it perfect for bagels, buns, and more. Enjoy quick, hassle-free slicing with safety and convenience in mind. This automatic stirrer is a unique automatic pan stirrer designed to save time and effort in the kitchen. With its built-in LED speed indicator, you can easily adjust the stirring speed for perfect consistency. Its hands-free operation allows you to multitask while cooking, ensuring even mixing and preventing burning. Ideal for sauces, soups, and more, this smart stirrer takes the hassle out of stirring. This eggshell opener is the perfect kitchen tool for effortlessly cracking and peeling eggs with precision. Designed for both soft-boiled and hard-boiled eggs, it ensures a clean break every time, eliminating messy shell fragments. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, just place, lift, and release for a flawless cut. Whether you're preparing breakfast, salads, or gourmet dishes, this tool saves time and effort, giving you perfectly cracked eggs in seconds. This bread slicer is the perfect tool for slicing homemade bread with precision and ease. Designed with a high-density HDPE base, it ensures durability and stability while cutting, preventing splintering for a smooth and safe experience. The maple finger guide adds an extra touch of convenience, keeping your slices uniform every time. Whether you're working with sourdough, banana bread, or any homemade loaf, this slicer makes the process effortless. Enjoy bakery-quality slices at home with this reliable and easy-to-use bread slicing guide. This electric knife is designed to deliver effortless precision and smooth slicing for all your kitchen needs. Featuring a powerful motor and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it glides through meats, bread, and even crafting materials with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. With a simple one-touch operation, you can achieve professional quality cuts at home. Whether you're carving a holiday roast or slicing homemade bread, this electric knife enhances efficiency and control. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.